Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to notify a member in Planner comments in Microsoft Planner. This is incredibly useful when you need to draw someone's attention to a specific task or keep team members in the loop about important updates without sending separate emails. Start by opening your Microsoft Planner. Open a browser window and type in planner.cloud.microsoft in the address bar, then hit enter. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Planner login page. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be required to log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you have these ready so you can access your workspace without any delays. Once you've successfully signed in and your Planner has loaded, you'll see your main dashboard. To notify a member in Planner comments, you first need to select the plan you want to work with. From the left navigation menu, click on My Plans. A list of all your available plans will appear on the screen. Browse through and select the one where you want to notify a team member. This could be a project plan, a team workflow, or any collaborative board you're managing. Once you're on the plan overview page, the next step is to either create a new task or work with an existing one. For this tutorial, let's create a new task. Click on Add New Task on your plan. A name field will appear prompting you to enter the task name. Type in a descriptive name for this task so everyone knows what it's about. Once you've entered the name and the task is listed on your board, look for the three-dot icon next to it. Click on those three dots and a context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, click on Open Details. This will open a task details window that contains all the information and options related to that specific task. The task details window is where all the magic happens for collaboration and communication. In the task details window, scroll down until you see a section labeled Notes. This is where you can add comments, updates, and most importantly, tag your team members. To notify a specific member, simply type the @ symbol followed by their name. As you start typing, Microsoft Planner will suggest matching team members from your plan. Select the person you want to notify and they will be tagged in the comment. Once you tag someone using the @ symbol, that team member will receive an email notification or an in-app notification depending on their settings. This ensures they're immediately aware of the task and any details or actions you've mentioned in the comment. It's a direct and efficient way to keep everyone informed without cluttering inboxes with unnecessary messages. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to notify members in Planner comments in Microsoft Planner. This feature streamlines communication and keeps your team aligned on tasks and responsibilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.